video. Right now we're on the way to a car meet with my 2VQ friends right now. I'm the only gen. So yeah, we'll see what the meet is all about. Hopefully it's a good turnout. We'll see what cars we see. It's weird, bro. It's like all muffled.
I can't wait.
What? Yeah, you can. Yeah, my boy gonna get the admit to him, and then he gonna race me and lose.
Probably.
No, you know what's funny though? Cause Martin, the other 370, on his GPS it said 47 minutes away, and then I was like, oh, mine says 45. Even GPS knows you guys are slow. Funny as hell.
It's a Nissan.
Who's doing that shit? Martin, Christian, your turn. Come on, both of you guys, why you should start doing that? Yeah. Funny as hell. You got the homie Matas trying to plan. He still don't got a tune for it though. Hey, it's alright, bro. What the fuck was that?
It's a G2.
Sounds just like me. I wouldn't mind one of those.
It's just like clean Nismo.
Stupid Christian, he has to go pee. Small ass bladder. We'll save you the spot, bro. We're gonna sit right here. Ah, he stopped.
That's it? Wait.
Started ghost crashing into a car, bro. See? Camaros are better. That's how you do it. shit, my brother, bro. That's my play. Alright, so we decided to just park here, away from the mess over there. There was this dude in a quad trying to do a burnout. He almost hit my car, so we're just moving. We got the boy. They're just gonna park next to this other GTR over there. They're just gonna leave us.
We go all the way over here.
Hey, our rock hit that shit.
That was awesome.
What the
Rock hit
fuck?
what? Dude, our
That
rock
was
hit that shit.
fucking awesome.
Dude, cops are here and everybody's leaving like if it's Fast and Furious. Like, chill the fuck out. Like, come on. This is funny, bro. I don't know why everybody leaving if it's like Fast and Furious and shit.
Yeah.
Like, calm down. Alright guys, that was that little car meet. If you guys stayed at the end of the video, make sure you guys like, subscribe for future videos, future car meets. I'll try to record a little bit more. Your boy finally got a haircut. Been like 2 months. What else? Yeah, follow me on Instagram, and thank you.
Yeah, you see my girl, you know she's foreign, I'm in orange. You been wearing Tommy, got that foreign, you so boring. I've been working at it foreign, I'm so foreign. Yeah, you know my whip, you know it's foreign, I'm so foreign. Yeah, you see my girl, you know she foreign, I'm in orange. You been wearing Tommy, got that foreign, you so boring. I've been working at it foreign, I've been